Kevin Lombard here with Lombard Equipment. With me is my colleague, Joe O'Neill. We're going to show you a short video. Lombard Equipment, we are a collision equipment specialist. Been around for 47 years selling collision repair equipment. We just recently left a company that we were with for almost 23 years because we felt the quality and durability of the equipment wasn't up to our standards. We switched to this new company, GYS, and just to show you how amazing and rugged these products are, this is a M3 three-torch steel, aluminum, silicon, bronze welder. This welder was sold to a customer, and then the shop got flooded, and it was submerged in water up to here. So the whole unit was underwater. We picked the unit up. We ended up by bringing it back, let the water drain out of it, and that's all we did, folks. We changed the wire, the liner, the contact tip, and the nozzle. And this is what the results were. Go ahead, Joe, lay a bead down, please. Folks, if this welder were on trial for its life, and the charges were quality and durability and incredible engineering, I think the closing statement of the attorney would be, no further questions, Your Honor. Call Lombard Equipment for all your collision repair equipment needs.